12 DIY decor projects for your tribal nursery. Create these colorful, tribal nursery arrows using wooden dowels, craft paint and feathers. Simply file the ends into points using sandpaper. See how it's done in this DIY tutorial. Shower your little brave with sweet dreams by hanging a handmade dream catcher over his crib. Learn the basics of dream weaving with this easy tutorial from Saving More Than Me. Colorful felt feathers and felted wool balls make for whimsical bunting in this easy, tribal-inspired DIY. Looking for something a little more authentic? Try using real feathers and beads. This fabulous feather blanket was created using a rubber stamp. Seriously, the secret? A simple trick that makes the ink set permanently into the fabric. Create your own bedding, curtains, throw pillows and more with this step-by-step tutorial by a mama in love. Native Americans used elaborately decorated sticks, called spirit sticks, to mark sacred ground and offer up prayers and blessings. These rustic beauties, made using time-worn driftwood and decorated in the tradition of the spirit stick, make for beautiful and meaningful nursery art. Can't find any driftwood? Try soaking sticks in a bleach water solution for an aged effect. This cozy, little teepee only costs around $60 to make, and you don't even need to pull out your sewing machine. Genius, right? It gets better. Much like the real thing, this tiny teepee is entirely portable, allowing you to fold it up and take it along for all your little warrior's adventures. With a paintbrush and a little patience, you can easily transform generic, craft store feathers into one-of-a-kind beauties. Prefer something a little less time-consuming? Try dipping white craft feathers into brightly colored paint, or add a little metallic glam with a touch of gold. Frame your creations or use them to enhance other projects. They also looked amazing tucked into mason jars or small vases. This gorgeous nursery mobile features embossed paper feathers created using a die cutter. Smitten? You can pick up the supplies and catch the video tutorial over at Nice People Stamp. Sweet and simple, this fabric feather mobile can be made in under an hour using only string, wooden dowels, and some scrap fabric. Recreating this tribal wild monogram couldn't be easier. Just use a pencil to draw a pattern, and fill in the details with paint. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.